out on the road again. Bit bored at home today. So, let's see where we get to. We're going to have a look at a place called Reselets. So we'll have a look at that. Right. I'll turn the camera on when we get there. Right, we're in the village of Reselets. Typical mountain village for Bulgaria. Very rough roads, but nice place. Whew, freezing today, absolutely. Temperature gauge on the Himalayan says 15 degrees centigrade. I don't think so. More like the 0 or +1. Now there's supposed to be a bit of a waterfall here. Now I'm going to try and find it. It says Waterfall, Reselets the jump, 1.3 kilometres. Quite a nice place, really. Nice old church. Don't think there's much need for a speed hump here, was there? Yes. Oh. I'm ready for a cup of coffee and a sandwich. Yeah, I've never been along here before. See if Google Maps will work for me. Oh, that's quite a nice place down there, look. Yeah, Reselets. Some rather unusual rock formations over there. Well, this is a bit spectacular, isn't it? Let's pull over a minute. Now they're very unusual rock formations, aren't they? I think the waterfall is... Have we gone past it? I think I might have done. Yeah. like I have done. Oh, where's that go? Let's go in the opposite direction, isn't it? Need to turn around then. Oh, roll on summer. I think my old bones don't like the cold anymore. Well, it can't be up there, surely. Well, it says it's on the left. I thought it had been over there, but let's go have a look. Oh. Oops, Ian, come on. Well. No, that's showing me going the wrong direction now, isn't it? Marvellous. Let's try down here. I'm sure it's over the other side of the road, I do. Phew, dear. Oh. Still waiting for my new tyres. And these are getting quite knackered. Woo girl. Let's have a look. Well, if I can't find this waterfall, it's a nice place to stop for a sandwich and a cup of tea, isn't it? God, bloody hell, it's freezing. Whew, right, arrived at the village of Reselets. Show the bike parked up. Got some stunning scenery. Ever so strange formation of rocks. Very unusual. Ooh. Trying to keep the camera still. I'm that cold, I'm shaking. Now, I don't really can see, that's just above. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. There's a hawk Massive hawk. Oh, there's two. But I don't know whether the camera will see that for you. Alright, that's about as close as I can get to the rock formation. Beautiful, very unusual. This is in the mountains in on the way to a place called Canino. But this village is called Reselets. Alright, God, stroll on. Dear me. Roll on summer. I think it's a bit of a wild place round here if it's weather's a bit crappy like, but right. I think the first job I'm going to have is a sandwich and a cup of coffee. Bloody hell. Stick this camera somewhere. Oh, yeah. Once I've had a coffee, that should be all right. Oh. Yeah, sun's out anyway. The wind's bitter, absolutely bitter. But I think it's going to be worth the ride. I don't know whether the camera's picking that up behind me, is it? Can you see the rocks behind me? I think you can in the distance. And I had a job to find this. It's Google Maps says the waterfall's here. I can't see a waterfall, but I can hear water running. So when I've drunk this, I suppose we're going to have to hike down there and have a look. But it'd be pretty good if it is, wouldn't it? Oh. And as per usual, as you can see, this is Bulgaria on a busy day. No traffic, no people, no nothing. Very near like the land that time forgot, this is. Mind you, that's why I came and lived here, love it. Right, I'll turn the camera off because I'm going to have a sandwich, finish my coffee, and I'll go see if we can find this waterfall. So we'll see you in a... Right, had a cup of coffee and a sandwich. The sun's shining. Things seem a lot better, a bit warmer now. Right, let's go have a hike down here and see if we can find a waterfall or not. Right, we'll get marching down here then. Ooh. Easy bit's always going downhill, isn't it? Oh, Christ. Right, I'll show you where we're heading. I can definitely hear water running. Oh ho! Looks like we might have success. Oh, right. Oh yeah. Let's have a get a sneak preview through here. Sounded like a small stream, but it's definitely a waterfall. Can I get across here without getting my boots full of water? This is the question. Oops. So it's quite, you can find a bit of an angle on the job. Oh the hell. Good job you're not frightened of heights, Ian. I think the only way we're going to see this is if I can get down here. Oh. Look, it might be a fair road trek round, but not ridden all this way, not to see this now. Like a bit of a goat track or something, I think. Yeah, we're getting there. Oh. Oh. Ah, lovely stream. Oh dear. Not quite what I had in mind when I got up this morning, this, but definitely worth seeing. You can see it. Well guys, there you go. I suppose the good things about coming to look at these things in the winter, the tourists aren't here, are they? I mean, that is quite spectacular. And possibly in the summer there won't be as much water. Right, now I wonder yes I can. Well, you don't get a lot better than that, do you? Oh. Yeah, it's like a cave behind it. The water's running over the face of it. I'm actually stood behind the waterfall now. Can't see them all on the inside. There you go. Yeah, I'm a bit out of breath, must admit. But definitely worth the hike this. Definitely. Put the camera down so you can have a look. Right guys, well worth the hike down here I think, and the cold ride out this morning. That's for me really stunning, really nice. Like I say, this is why I moved to Bulgaria. You know, it's like everywhere I go, I say the same old thing. It's me and me alone here, nobody else. Just how I like it. Right, we'll head back up to the bike I think. I dare say I shall need another cup of coffee by the time I get up here. I'll leave the camera on for another 30 seconds or so while I walk along the stream base. But when I start to climb I'm going to have to put it away because I think I need 2 free hands. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, thumbs up, click like, please subscribe, leave any comments that you want in the bit below. I'll answer anything I can. We will put a link where this is so you can read it, and if you get to Bulgaria, come and have a look at this. Well worth it, well worth it. Right, okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.